We'll do a quick unboxing. A few of the packages already opened up, but either way, it's always easier. This one, I was very, very pissed about. This is how it came. That's it. It wasn't packaged in there in anything. It was just sitting in there. It's a 2014 Silver Eagle. And let's see if I can focus here. You can't really see, but it's like scratched to hell. But either way, it's not terrible, but could have been better. But yeah, one more Silver Eagle. Let's see here. What's this one? Got some more $50 to add. 3 Walking Liberties. Ooh, they're dirty. Real dirty ones. This one's not terrible, but as I recall, these are pretty cheap. Well, cheap for me at least. They're about $8.50 a piece, and I got 3% in eBay bucks from it, so it's a pretty good deal for me. Okay, that there. Let's do this one. I think this is just a single. Oh no, it's another 2014 Eagle. This one, came packaged how it should be. In something to protect it. Actually, it came in one of these things. But yeah, it's pretty nice. And I'm not even sure what this is. Pretty sure this isn't even mine. I think it's my wife's, but we'll see. Oh, it is mine. Cool. Another $3.50. These are 3 Kennedys. Same price and eBay bucks on them. The Walking Liberties. And yeah. So I'm definitely building up my eBay bucks. If you guys are signed up for the eBay bucks, I highly recommend using PayPal's Bill Me Later, because you get an extra 1% in eBay bucks, and you can just pay your Bill Me Later account balance right when you buy it, so you're not paying any interest or nothing. But yeah, that's my unboxing. Oh, these are really dirty. 6 halves and two Eagles. One scratched, one nice. But yeah, later this week I'll be doing. Oh, there's a nice little scratch in it. Later this week I'll be doing another few unboxings and a special one. Possibly my first gold purchase of 2014, so stay tuned for that. And also, am thinking of doing a giveaway contest for, I know it's a long ways away, but for if I ever reach 100 subscribers, that would be amazing. I'm thinking of doing a giveaway. I'll probably do 2 prizes. First prize would be possibly an Eagle or some sort of 1 ounce round or something, and then second place maybe a silver $50 or anything like that. I mean, it may change, but I do want to do a giveaway, so stay tuned and subscribe. Get me up to 100 and I'll give some silver away. Nothing's better than free silver, I think. I've never gotten free silver, really, but I think it'd be cool. But like and subscribe, and we'll get that contest rolling. Thanks for watching.